Morning guys, today we're going to be making some easy homemade fudge and some chocolate as well. Well, is it technically homemade fudge? Well, it isn't it? Aye, it's homemade fudge.
I actually love fudge so much.
Aye, it's good. So it's going to be, it's a girl that Natalie follows on TikTok called Fit Waffle. We'll put the link in the description, you can check her out. She does some cracking recipes. So we're going to just do our easy fudge. We're going to maybe put some biscotti in it. For me, what are you going to put in yours?
Banana chips.
What?
Banana and chocolate, oh my gosh, how
Okay.
amazing would that be?
Well no, it's fudge. You're going to put chocolate Nutella as well in it?
Well, I've been eating the Nutella all week, so I don't think I've got any Nutella left.
Yeah, I can see the jar there. Sorted. Right, so Natalie's going to put banana chips and chocolate in it. I'm going to put biscotti in mine, maybe some biscuits on the top of it. See how it goes. We're also going to make some chocolate. We trialled this last time. There's a woman on Instagram that's pretty cool that's called Your Ma Sells Chocolate. Yeah, you heard that right. Your Ma Sells Chocolate. So once I showed my pal Danny this, he said, your dad makes chocolate. So I'm going to make him one. I'm going to make my dad one. And that's it really. We're going to show you how to make them. They're really easy. You can use any chocolate you want, anything you like. And that's it really guys. Hope you enjoy these. Give us a wee like and subscribe if you're new. And also we want to see your creations, so check us out on Instagram, just backpacks and burgers underscore, isn't it? Cool. Let's get cooking.
So the recipe requires condensed milk, but we couldn't find condensed milk in literally 7 different shops that we drove around and couldn't find it. So you can use evaporated milk and just add sugar into it, so that's the option we're doing today. So if you want, you can skip this bit and just use condensed milk but no sugar. And also it's not granulated sugar, it's caster sugar. You'll remember from our Easter egg thing we substituted this for icing sugar, but this time we're going to use the actual ingredient, so caster sugar.
And how much are we putting into this?
We're putting 100 of this in.
And why is that? We're just guessing.
We are just making it up as we're going along, I'll be honest with you. But
we just seen some recipes and it was like half the chocolate, half the evaporated milk to the sugar. Am I saying that right? No, the other way around. Half the sugar to whatever evaporated milk, so that's why we're going for 100. See how it goes.
cooking's like science, but science is fun when you just play about. Like.
We're just winging it.
So we're starting with 200 of evaporated milk. So 100 grams roughly. So we're going to add this into a saucepan all together.
Just to melt down the sugar.
So we're using 200 grams of white chocolate, so we're just using Aldi's own. You can use whatever white chocolate you want, but this is cheap and cheerful, so why would you not use this? So now we're just adding it on in a low heat, remember, so we're not burning the chocolate, the sugar or the milk, and just keep stirring it until it comes together.
I'm just going to thicken it up like Play-Doh, it almost looks like once it's done.
I would say more like soup, like a really thick soup.
So we're just constantly stirring it, and now it looks like all the chocolate's clumped together. It's not quite melted all the way down. Basically we want to just get this all one solid bit. Basically look like mashed potatoes actually. So that's what we're going for.
This is actually exactly what I imagined butterbeer to look like.
It is actually, aye.
Like when I was reading the books, this is exactly what I assumed it looked like in my head.
Nice consistency. Now we didn't think we'd have to boil it like this, but I've just checked on a recipe that uses evaporated milk and it looks like we need to get it bubbling and just keep it moving for 20 minutes. Hopefully this is going to be okay, and then I think we have to whisk it after this because condensed milk's thicker and more like caramel like, isn't it? So this is why we're having to do this, but hopefully it works. We'll let you know. Hopefully it works. Now we're not too sure how this is supposed to look. It's went quite thick, and as you can see, Natalie says to me it's coming off the bottom of the pan, which we think it is now ready. We're going to put it into a normal bowl and we're going to cool it for 5 minutes, and then we're supposed to beat it until it gets thick. See, to be honest guys, look at that. That's fudge, isn't it? That's thick.
So good, and I want to stick my face in it.
I don't think we need to beat that, do you?
No, I told you that.
Right, okay, guys, I think we're done. We're not going to beat it. We're going to leave it to cool for a couple of minutes, and then we'll take it from there.
So we're left with this. And it's setting pretty fast, so we're going to have to work really fast. So instead of putting it in a tray, we're just going to put it in individual cupcakes. We've got our own little ones, so Chris and mine don't get mixed up with our gluten ingredients. With mine I've got some banana chips, and I've got some giant caramel buttons. These are amazing, by the way, get them. And maybe some Nutella. What about yourself?
I'm going to just put that spread there, this Biscoff spread, and we'll see how they go.
Well, we have worked quickly and popped them in our wee things. So I've put a caramel button in the middle of them, some banana chips and a dollop of Nutella on the top of mine. How amazing does that look? And Chris has got 4 with more fudge in it, and he has put biscotti in the middle.
Look at the size of mine, guys. They're like overflowing.
He's made like giant ones.
And the biscotti's all nice and melty.
I wish I could have that. It smells amazing.
Do apologise that we didn't show you them making them. It was the first time and we're sort of rushing a wee bit to get them in because we were scared that the fudge would just go solid.
It was getting really thick at the end.
I know.
But yeah, we're going to put these in the fridge for, it says a few hours, so we're going to put them in. It's about 11 o'clock just now, so we'll try them just after like lunchtime maybe. So
that's the fudge in the fridge and it smells and looks amazing.
I can't wait.
I know, we're going to smash it soon. Next now we're going on to the chocolate. Going to make some chocolate bars. We've actually got, can you grab him Natalie? We've got these cases, no the cases, hi cheers. We're going to go for this one, like a saucer looking thing for my dad's as you can see. And we're going to go for this giant Reese's Pieces type thing for Danny. And no Danny, we're not going to fill the whole thing. It's going to be maybe a bit quarter full. It'll look pretty cool.
I bought this for making you a Reese's Pieces birthday cake years ago.
How'd it go?
Oh, you ate it.
That was dynamite. Always good. Right, what we've got, what else we got? So obviously you need chocolate. We've just went for some Aldi's own brand cheap chocolate. We love this stuff. If you don't, you can go for any chocolate you want. Next up, we're going to put these on it. Again, these are Aldi's and they're amazing. We're going to go for Racer bars. They're basically just Snickers. We just went for cheap stuff to try them out. Next up, Maltesers as well, and anything else. We're going to go for Oreos, and you guessed it guys, it's the cheap Aldi own brand ones. Look, these are all great.
36 pence.
I know, you can literally put anything you want on it. We're going to show you how to do this. Natalie knows best how to do this chocolate bit. It's called a bain marie. That's how we're going to do this chocolate. So we'll show you.
So I've boiled the kettle so it's a bit faster, but what you want to do is boil some water in a saucepan. Make sure that the water is enough in it to not burn out and disappear, but also not to touch the bottom of the bowl when we put the bowl in. If it touches the bottom of the bowl, it will burn the chocolate and that's not what we want. So you just pop that in. Also, another way of doing this is you could just pour the boiling water into one bowl and then put like another bowl on top of it and do that if you don't want to be over the cooker, if you're doing it maybe with kids, but that'll maybe take a bit longer. So into this, what we want to do is put our broken up chocolate. So as you can see, it's already melting super fast. And you just want to have patience with it, but make sure that you are moving it about so it doesn't burn.
It goes quick, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So why do you do this and not in the microwave?
Because, well, a lot of people do chuck it in the microwave, but you can't really watch it while it's in the microwave.
I can't control it.
Yeah, so it will burn and it'll just go like either proper like dark and burn, or it'll go really, no, like this is a bit like gloopy like Nutella, it'll go like grainy. And you can taste all the
this
sugar.
definitely comes out smooth, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Here we have our chopped up Racer bar and our chopped up Oreos. We've not chopped up too many now because we want to see how it looks. Obviously you can put anything in this you want. You want to try and maybe go for a theme. I know we've not really got a theme here, but when Natalie done it the other day, biscuits really worked well on it. And Natalie's just melted it all down, as you can see. It looks cracking, and we're just going to put it into this mould. You just can use any mould you want. This is just one Natalie had. We didn't actually do this last time we done it, we just put it straight onto a wee plate. But this actually looks like it's going to be cracking.
If you're going to use just a normal plate or a bowl, cover it in cling film first, so then it will make it easier to take it off.
Oh, that definitely helped, didn't it? Right, there we have it. It's all in the mould. Looks quite good. Just spread it around, and then we'll top it in a wee second. Onto the top of our chocolate, we're going to add our Oreos. Now you can do this any order you want. If you want to put it through the middle, if you want to put it at the bottom, we just decided to top it. And let's go. Lovely. Now we're going to put in some Maltesers. Oh, look at that. Lovely jubbly. And I don't know if I'm going to put any caramel things in. We're just going to go for the 2. How's that look?
Beautiful.
Some caramel? Okay, so we're going to put in some caramel as well. Just bring this over. Oh, this is difficult, doing it one-handed. There we go, wee sprinkling of caramel. I mean, you want it like overloaded like that, it looks amazing. Look at that, guys. What do you think, Natalie?
That looks beautiful.
Looks great. We get that carried away decorating Danny's that we forgot to film it, so look at that. And there's a wee hidden surprise in there for him. We'll see if we can figure out what it is. What do you think, guys? Looks amazing. Lovely. Wee last touch here by Natalie. So this is us just taking our fudge out, and it looks pretty cool. Natalie reckons there's maybe another hour or two, but I'm impatient. I want to eat mine right now. How cool do they look, guys? Look amazing, don't they? Guys, how amazing does my dad's chocolate look? Look at that. What a thick that is.
It looks like something you'd buy in a shop.
It does look so cool, doesn't it?
That's Hotel Chocolat right there.
How amazing does Danny's chocolate look? Look at that. Also, look how thick his is. It's not quite... Oh, it's not focusing what's going on. Oh no, the camera's not focusing. There we go. It's not quite as thick as my dad's, but look at that. It is amazing. Two of them, brilliant. Right guys, that's us finished doing our chocolate and our fudge. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we enjoyed making it.
I love cooking.
It's pretty cool, man. I mean, I'm new to baking, I'm not really that great at it. I'm not really great at cooking, to be honest, either, but it's cool to try these things that we've seen on Instagram and TikTok, and basically, I think I've been enjoying it now. It's quite cool. So we hope that you've got something out of this, and that you can make your own things. We hope my dad and Danny enjoy their chocolate, and we'll see you next time, guys.
Bye.
Thanks very much. See you later.